convert 50 meters per second into kilometers per second. We were given 50 meters per second, and we want to convert them to kilometers per second. We know that 1 kilometer is equivalent to 1,000 meters. So to convert meters to kilometers, we need to multiply through our conversion factor of 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. Multiplying through this, we see that the meters cancel and leave us with kilometers. So solving this, we get that 50 meters per second is equivalent to 0.05 kilometers per second. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.